This video will review the key points when installing the Tel-X battery assembly. Preliminaries. Review and read all documentation provided. Unpack battery. Observe safe handling. Practice proper ergonomics. Place the blocks in front of the application, laying them out as depicted in the installation sheet. Required tools: current clamp meter, voltmeter, insulated torque wrench, snips, NOx, corrosion preventative compound, electrical tape. Safely insulate all application cable leads. Inspection. Measure each block voltage and record it onto the installation sheet. Remove block end terminal bolts. Unpack connecting straps provided. Apply NOx on all exposed metal surfaces. When installing the bus bars, make sure to pull outward and straight while applying torque. After each final torque, reapply NOx onto metal surfaces. Reinstall terminal covers. Unpack cable connections and apply NOx to lugs surfaces. Installation and electrical connection. Review installation sheet and connect the cables to the appropriate blocks, starting with the blocks located in the back of the battery. Apply torque and NOx as previously done with previous connection assembly. Reinstall terminal cover. Review battery layout and install battery blocks, starting by the blocks located in the back of the application. Continue installing the subsequent blocks, making cable connections as described by installing sheet. Apply torque and NOx as previously described before reinstalling block and terminal covers. Install filler cell foam block used to prevent excessive block motion. If block cables are not clearly visible and identifiable, use a voltmeter to trace the cable and block location. Finalize battery installation. The battery assembly is now completed. Measure overall battery voltage and compare it to the sum of the individual voltages measured previously. Voltage check and connection to bus. Remove insulation from the application connecting cables. Apply NOx onto the exposed metal. Torque as previously described during battery installation. Apply NOx and reinstall top covers. NiCad batteries do not require temperature compensation voltage adjustment. Disconnect the temperature compensation voltage circuit and affix the temperature compensation voltage disconnection label to the application in a visible location. Set the rectifier to the proper voltage and current. Using the current clamp meter monitor, the battery is charging.